Hi friends, welcome you to my channel Adians HR. Today's video is related to Karnataka State Professional Tax. In this video, we will learn professional tax slab rate and due date for Telangana State. Then we will learn how to pay PTEC and PTRC payment for Telangana step by step. Okay, so Telangana Professional Tax is registered under the Act, the Telangana Tax on Professional Trade, Callings and Employment Act 1987. For taking the registration of professional tax, needed to furnish Form 5 and this is done online. Here is professional tax slab rate. Gross monthly salary. If up to 15,000 the PT amount is nil. Okay, then PT between 15,000 to 20,000 the PT rate is 150 monthly, and above 20,000 the PT rate is monthly 200. And here is the Telangana PT periodical and due dates. For making monthly PT remittance, the due date is every month on 10th. Okay, then monthly PT filing of return is also 10th of the month. Now for making PTEC or PTRC payment, we need to go to the tgct.gov.in website. Then window will be like this. This is the window. Okay, then just scroll down the page. Then you will see the below page. Here you need to click on e-payments all acts. Once you click on the e-payments tab, the window will appear. Now you need to enter the details. Firstly, selection professional tax. In select type of tax, then enter TIN number. Once you enter the TIN number, that company name will appear. Now select the return tax. In select purpose tab, select the periodicity and amount you want to proceed PTEC or PTRC payment. Then click on submit button. Once you click on the submit button, then Telangana taxes e-payment window will appear. Just confirm the details once again. Then click on make payment button. Once you click on the make payment window, then e-payment window will appear, which will bring you to bank gateway to proceed the bank payment. Okay, in this way just complete the payment. Okay, so in this way we initiate PTEC and PTRC payment. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.